Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Glad tidings, brothers and sisters around the world. If you are a student looking for opportunities to study in Saudi Arabia, this is for you. Whether you are just starting from a diploma, going for a bachelor, or even aiming for a master's or PhD, I'm going to be walking you through exactly how to apply and navigate everything step by step bi'idhnillahi ta'ala. Just to let you know, there's been an announcement, as obviously this announcement has happened a couple of days back from the Ministry of Education Study in Saudi Arabia platform. The Islamic University has officially opened doors, has opened their doors and opened their applications for internal and external scholarship for international students in undergraduate and postgraduate programs. Applications, like I said, is open till May the 21st, so apply now inshallah ta'ala. If you want the full details, just go on the platform, click the link. I'll leave the link in the comments, or you can scan the QR code. It will take you to the website, and inshallah ta'ala I'll run you through how everything, what to do step by step inshallah ta'ala. They are inviting students from all around the world to apply through the Study in Saudi Arabia platform with high quality programs designed to help you grow academically and actually benefit your community. So in this video inshallah ta'ala I'll be breaking down everything for you brothers and sisters around the world inshallah, from creating your account all the way to tracking your application, so you don't miss a thing inshallah. Just to let you know, this guide inshallah ta'ala, I'll be guiding you and basically showing you how to use the Study in Saudi Arabia platform step by step, from creating your account to tracking your application. The goal is to make everything crystal clear so you can apply easily and efficiently. I'll be covering how to create an account, logging in, completing your profile, browsing universities and programs, adding your preferences, and submitting and tracking your application. This is for all students, scholarship and international inshallah ta'ala. What are you waiting for? Click the link. Once you're on the home page, you're going to need to change the language from Arabic to English so everything can be crystal clear for you inshallah ta'ala. To log in is very simple. Enter your email, your password, and click login. If you don't have an account yet, no problem, you can easily create one. So just to create an account, click this link and choose if you are a resident or an international student. Then inshallah enter your full name, email, date of birth, nationality and password. Once you finish that, you'll be sent an email to activate your account. Then you will need to set up your profile, and this includes your personal information, personal info, contact details, and any additional requirement. You will see a progress bar and you need to complete it before you can actually search for universities and programs. طيب. Once you've completed it fully, it will allow you to start browsing universities. You'll find public and private universities, and you can use filters to find what suits you. Click on any university to see more details. طيب. Once we click on a university, you'll see an overview, its location on the map, its global ranking, and all available programs. This will help you decide properly before applying. As for the programs inshallah ta'ala, they have made this very easy. You can actually filter by specialization, degree, level or language. You can also filter fees, language of study, program type, and other important information. Once you've selected your program that you want to study inshallah ta'ala, you can add them to your preference list, or you can call it a wish list, and then you can prioritize them accordingly. And don't worry, you can edit all this and reorder the order that you like to study first and foremost, and you have until the final submission date. Once you apply, you can track everything. You'll see your application number, status, whether it's under review, accepted or rejected, the submission date, and the program details, so you're always updated. Just to keep in mind inshallah, the applications page And this is very important, inshallah. So brothers and sisters, hear me out. The applications page only appears after the wish list, the preference list submission period ends, which is 21st of May. So everything is handled in an organized timeline. And if you are serious about seeking knowledge, then rectify and correct your intention. And one's intention should be removing ignorance from oneself and from others, insha'Allah ta'ala. And if you are serious about studying in Saudi Arabia, say Bismillah and apply now before May the 21st. And if you need any help in terms of the application, please do comment in this video. I'll be there to support you, insha'Allah ta'ala. Wa sallallahu ala nabiyyina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam. Wa may Allah bless you all. Wa jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.